Okay, so here's the inside of the shirt. The front is folded down out of the way. Here's the inside of the back. You need to fold the back shoulder over just a little bit. I have iron-on Velcro on here. Cut to this length. You want the rough side of the Velcro to go on the back side of the shirt facing up. You don't want it underneath the shirt, you want it facing up, so it's going to go on the outside of the shirt. And this is iron-on Velcro, but it's got adhesive on it, so you can stick it to the shirt while you're working, and then iron it on when you have everything in place. Now, this is the soft side of the Velcro, is now facing this. The back is to the ceiling. Pull the plastic off. And stick to it. You want a little bit of overlap. Okay. Now, I have that Velcro in place. Now I need to do the sleeves. I'm going to do this, the sleeves are a little bit different. Okay, I want the rough side of the Velcro on the outside of the sleeve. And it needs to go the whole cut, the whole length of the cut. Make sure I have enough here. Should have just enough. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in place. Left side is down. This Velcro is really stiff until it has been washed. Just a little bit long. Okay, now the soft side of the Velcro is going to go on the underside of the sleeve. On this part and on this part. And it doesn't stay super great until you have it ironed in place. So. I can get the plastic off, would be nice. This little gap right here is where the halo pin is, the post on the pin, the halo is going to go. So now when the shirt goes back together, you're going to do up the sleeve. Do up the other sleeve, the back side of the sleeve I should say, and then across the front. There. When I iron it in place, it'll hold much better. I'll show that in a second.